Here I have Nissan Qashqai, and let me show you how to customize this circle right here, this menu behind the steering wheel. This is your personal display. So in this display you can customize your needs, you can customize your view. Let me show you how to do it. At the very beginning, let's open this shortcut menu. Under shortcut menu, you need to scroll down and you can select here personal display. So this is the personal display. I think that you can also find the personal display in settings. So let me try to do it. So this is the standard view. Let's use here settings. If you tap settings, you can find the personal display on the third place. So you can do it also that way. You don't need to use this shortcut with the menu button. And as you can see, this is the personal display. So you can just here customize this circle, as I said previously. So as you can see right now, you can use the blank. You can use the navigation to see some navigation tips if you are running some route. You can select time to destination, fuel economy. As you can see, you can set up the fuel economy since reset, since start, or since refuel. You can also select here the trip if you will need to do it. All right, and what else? You can also set up the gear position if you need to, so you can check the gear position right here. Average speed, I think it's quite useful. I like to have the average speed, and I'm doing this since start. And also you can choose here the brake lamp if you need to. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.